Looking to make more money as an Uber driver? Choosing the right car can make all the difference. Clip of an Uber driver picking up a rider or driving through the city. Best cars for Uber drivers in 2024. At number 5, the Toyota Prius. Known for its excellent fuel efficiency and low maintenance cost, this hybrid gives over 50 miles per gallon. Toyota Prius 2015-2020 driving or parked. Toyota Prius. Fuel economy, 50 plus mpg, hybrid, low maintenance. Scene 2, Honda Civic. Number 4 is the Honda Civic. It's affordable, durable, and stylish, perfect for urban rides. Honda Civic. Fuel economy, 30-40 mpg. Reliable and comfortable. Scene 3, Hyundai Elantra. Coming in at number 3 is the Hyundai Elantra. With modern features and great fuel economy, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice. Hyundai Elantra, 2017-2022 exterior and dashboard views. Hyundai Elantra. Fuel economy, 33-43 mpg. Affordable maintenance. Toyota Corolla. At number 2, the Toyota Corolla. Loved by Uber drivers for its comfort, reliability, and resale value. Toyota Corolla 2015-2023, city driving or interior. Toyota Corolla. Fuel economy, 32-41 mpg. High resale value. 𝗕𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗡, Chevrolet Malibu. And number 1, the Chevrolet Malibu. It offers a roomy interior, smooth ride, and good gas mileage. Great for longer trips. Chevrolet Malibu 2016-2022, especially rear seat space. Chevrolet Malibu. Fuel economy, 29-36 mpg. Spacious and comfortable. Remember, a good Uber car saves you money on gas, repairs, and keeps your riders happy. Which one would you drive? Visual suggestion. Split screen of all 5 cars or an Uber driver smiling with a passenger. Subscribe to Auto Budget Reviews. Like and share if you found this helpful.